क्या उद्देश्य के साथ काम करना शुरू किया है, हम हर एक मुद्दे को किस प्रकार से देख रहे हैं, किन घटकों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं.
It's a very transparent process. It brings in an inherent accountability from the organization at all the levels.
Lots of interactions does happen, lots of learning also happen, but it also involves lot of resources.
Before coming for the plans and budget, we worked as a team to ensure that these are the core minimum which should not be, it was like non-negotiables, like in child messages, what are the things we have to do's and don'ts we call in child messages, vis-a-vis this reports also.
I see myself through my partners because they are actually the grassroots, I will call them scientists. They are the one who create social engineering.
Plans and budget involve interaction with the communities. At least 25% of the working area is visited by the field staff and the action aid officials, people. There we conduct Mohalla Baithak, we discuss with different groups. This is the time when we interact separately with children, Bal Sabhas. This is the time when we discuss the issues involving women with Mahila Samuh, all separate together. And also we discuss in larger Gram Sabhas and such kind of things.
This is actually my first PNV exercise, and I found it to be very interesting and very unique, where ActionAid is giving so much of importance to the community's aspirations and including their aspirations into the planning process and trying to bridge that gap.
कर्ज में रहना एक सोशल रियलिटी है, उसको फेस करना पड़ेगा. What happens at the end of the day, हमने बैंक में तो इतने जमा कर लिए हैं, लेकिन आज मैं कर्जदार हूँ, और कर्जदार होना it's not a very healthy sign in a society. तो कोई नहीं चाहता है कि हम पीएफ के रजिस्ट्रेशन करें. शायद हमको हमारे स्तर पे हमको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी सोचना होगा कि हम कैसे और फंड्स रेज करें. वो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये रियलिटी शायद आप और भी जगह फेस कर रहे हैं, तो बोर्ड पे लाना चाहिए.
This year especially we made special efforts to open it for involving many other players actually. And before coming here we have had a series of processes actually. We have community process as most of us know, and after that we have tried to place all these plans and thinking before the larger civil society and other rights players, etc. From where we have taken their feedback and comments, then we try to incorporate. And then actually this platform is not just for taking feedback, it's a part of our larger work, involving them as part of our regular work. It's not just taking their feedback for just these plans only alone. It's a building larger network of people or platforms to work together.
Not the villain, sir. We all know that he or she is not the villain. They are now very much the victim.
settlements. And all the farmers who are committing suicide were landlords, mostly, right?
See, what I felt from my perspective is, suppose there's one partner or one partner organization who focuses mainly on urban. So if that partner community could be a part of some other region, like if the Kolkata partner could come to Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, all the PNBs, so he or she can share her viewpoint on the urban work specifically. Okay, like here we are doing an inter-regional thing, like Hyderabad, Mumbai doing the same thing, but I was just thinking if the UP urban partners or the Kolkata urban partners would have been here, they might have given much more inputs from their perspective.
This is my third PNB my team has just completed, and two of my colleagues, Juliana and Getsi, they came back and they shared with us, that how it has its child rights has found its place, and it is easy for us to report back to our supporters.
It's a platform where you see alliances emerging. So you would tend to see a lot of excluded groups which are very similar in nature trying to ally with people from another state or from another geographical area.
My partnership, the proof of my partnership should be after 10 years.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा.